Welcome back MH Car Review. Today we are looking at something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. This is the 2026 Chevrolet Futuristic Concept Motorhome, a machine that looks like it was pulled straight out of a science fiction blockbuster and dropped right here into the real world. If you thought Chevrolet was just about pickup trucks and muscle cars, think again, because what you are seeing right now is a bold, daring, and jaw-dropping statement from one of America's most iconic automakers. So sit back, buckle up, and let's get into every single detail of this incredible beast. Let's start with what you see the moment this thing rolls into view, the exterior. And honestly, where do you even begin? The 2026 Chevrolet Concept Motorhome is draped in a stunning, deep golden yellow finish that catches the light from every angle and demands attention everywhere it goes. This isn't your grandmother's RV. This is a double-decker, aerodynamic powerhouse that looks more like a luxury superyacht on wheels than anything you would typically park at a campsite. The body panels flow seamlessly from front to rear with absolutely zero sharp or awkward transitions. Every curve is intentional, every surface sculpted with purpose. Up front, you get an aggressive, wide stance with a dramatically low front fascia accented by sharp LED lighting strips that cut across the face of the vehicle in electric gold tones. The windshield wraps around the cockpit in a wide panoramic arc, giving the driver a commanding, almost aircraft-style field of vision. Moving along the side, you immediately notice the dual-level cabin structure. The upper deck sits proud and wide, with a row of tinted panoramic windows running the full length of the vehicle, while the lower section houses what appears to be slide-out living quarters and built-in exterior lighting that glows a warm amber when activated. The black multi-spoke wheels are massive, aggressive, and perfectly complement the gold bodywork. The rear of the vehicle tapers cleanly with integrated lighting and what looks like a subtle diffuser-style finishing panel. Every single detail has been obsessed over, and it absolutely shows. Now let's step inside, because the exterior is only half the story. Once you open the door, which, by the way, is a wide-opening coach-style entrance, you are met with a cabin that redefines what luxury travel looks like on the road. The interior of the 2026 Chevrolet Concept Motorhome is designed around the idea that you should never have to sacrifice comfort, technology, or style just because you are moving from one place to another. The lower level functions as the primary living and entertainment space. You have a full lounge area with deep cushioned seating in premium leather, ambient mood lighting throughout the cabin that can be adjusted to whatever vibe you are going for, and a fully integrated smart home system that controls everything from climate to window shading at the touch of a screen. The kitchen area is equipped with high-end appliances, quartz countertops, and space efficiency that would make a luxury apartment designer jealous. Moving further back you find a full bathroom suite and private sleeping quarters with memory foam bedding and climate-controlled comfort zones. The upper deck is where things get truly extraordinary. This space is designed as an elevated observation and entertainment lounge. Floor-to-ceiling panoramic windows give you an unobstructed, breathtaking view of whatever landscape you are traveling through. There is a large curved entertainment screen on one end, high-end audio built into the ceiling, and seating that wraps around in a U-shape, perfect for entertaining guests or simply watching the world go by in absolute style. This level alone would cost a fortune as a hotel suite, and here it is on wheels. Now let's talk performance, because this thing is not just about looks. The 2026 Chevrolet Concept Motorhome is engineered around a next-generation hybrid powertrain that delivers both serious muscle and surprising efficiency for a vehicle of this size. Under the hood, or rather, the massive front cowl, sits a twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with dual electric motors, producing a combined output estimated at around 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 horsepower in a luxury motorhome. The all-wheel drive system distributes power intelligently across all axles, providing exceptional stability and control even at highway speeds. Air suspension comes standard, automatically adjusting ride height and stiffness based on road conditions and load, which means passengers inside barely feel a bump regardless of what surface the vehicle is crossing. The estimated top speed sits around 100 miles per hour, though this machine is obviously built for long, comfortable cruising rather than outright velocity. The electric motors allow for near-silent low-speed maneuvering and city driving, with the combustion engine seamlessly stepping in for highway power. Range on a full tank combined with the battery pack is estimated at approximately 600 miles, making long cross-country journeys entirely practical without constant fuel stops. Advanced driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping technology, and a 360-degree camera array with overhead mapping make piloting this enormous vehicle far easier than you might expect. Now for the question everyone always wants to know, what does something like this cost? The 2026 Chevrolet Futuristic concept motorhome, if it were to enter limited production, is projected to carry a starting price in the range of $800,000 to $1.2 million USD depending on configuration, options, and the interior customization package selected. The top-tier fully loaded variant with all premium finishes, extended upper deck, and the full performance powertrain upgrade could push past the $1.5 million mark. That puts it firmly in the territory of private jets and superyachts, and honestly, looking at this thing, that comparison is not at all far-fetched. So there you have it, the 2026 Chevrolet Futuristic concept motorhome in all its golden, road-conquering glory. Whether it ever reaches full production or stays as a visionary concept, one thing is absolutely certain, Chevrolet has sent a powerful message to the world about where luxury travel on the road could be headed. This is not just a vehicle. This is a statement. This is a lifestyle. This is the future on wheels. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review for more incredible content like this, and drop a comment below telling us what you think about this jaw-dropping machine. We will see you in the next one.